Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check that your laptop or desktop exposes Thunderbolt 3/4 or an external PCIe path, and that BIOS permits external GPUs. Once done, select an eGPU enclosure sized for your GPU, with a PSU rated for peak GPU draw plus 20% headroom. Make sure you have the proper Thunderbolt cable and any power connectors. Install OS updates and download the latest vendor GPU drivers now. This avoids driver conflicts when you first boot the enclosure with the card. With the system off, ground yourself and open the enclosure to seat the GPU into the PCIe riser firmly. Fasten screws and attach required 6/8-pin power leads. Reassemble and connect the enclosure to your host using the certified Thunderbolt cable, then power on the eGPU and the host. If the BIOS has external GPU or Thunderbolt security settings, set them to allow the device. Once the host boots, install the official GPU driver, reboot if requested, and confirm the card appears in Device Manager or System Information. Finish by configuring displays and performance. Choose whether the eGPU will drive an external monitor or accelerate the internal display through internal/external rendering. Run a stress test and a few games or benchmarks while watching temps, fan curves, and PCIe link speed to ensure full bandwidth. If the card isn't detected, reboot with the eGPU powered first, verify Thunderbolt authorization in system prompts, update enclosure and system firmware, try a different cable or port, and test the GPU in another system to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.